You hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Cardano Ada. At this time, the Cardano holders doing a very big mistake, so that is why I decided to make a video for my viewers, from my subscriber, and be safe from loss. Don't do this mistake. Be safe from loss, friends. What's your prediction about the Cardano? Please tell me in the comment box, and keep watching this video till the end for better understanding, friends. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Cardano. As you know, the current price is 1.74 USD is the current price of the Cardano. And if you look, the price changes in the Cardano. So the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive, and last 1 week pricing is also positive. So absolutely, the price is going better this time in the Cardano. So I'm very happy today. But unfortunately, a lot of holders were doing a very big mistake. As you can see, at this time the fast open the Cardano, and this time, so a lot of holders doing a very big mistake on this time. So especially I would request all of you that please don't do this mistake. This is just a temporary fast of the Cardano. I hope very soon they again take a jump. So that is why my suggestion for all of you that please hold it, don't sell it. A lot of holders will see the small fast open the Cardano, so they decide that it's a temporary fast, and so yeah, they decide that it's a permanent fast, and they understand that now the Cardano is going down, the price is very going to zero. So don't do this mistake at this time. Don't sell it. As you know, the whole chain is okay in the Cardano, so that's mean that the Cardano give you a good amount of profit in the future, friends. So don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. What's your prediction about Cardano? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS section for more this kind of news and update, friends. Anyways, friends, if we talk about the last 20 prices okay in the Cardano, so positive 2.19%. Positive change occurred at Cardano in the last 1 day in the 24 hours, and the highest price is 1.77 USD dollar, friends. Absolutely, there's a massive jump occurred in the Cardano. So what's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box. Kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and update, friends. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. I will guide you how you can make a good amount of profit with the cryptocurrencies market. Thank you so much once again.